In this video, you'll learn how to access and download your invoices from Hostinger in just a few minutes. Whether you've been using Hostinger for a while or you've just started, knowing how to retrieve your invoices is an important part of managing your account and keeping track of your expenses. Let's walk through the process step by step. Start by opening your preferred web browser and typing www.hostinger.com into the address bar. Once the Hostinger homepage loads, you'll see the familiar clean layout with all of their services displayed. At the top right corner of the page, click on the login button. If you already have a Hostinger account, sign in using your email address and password. If you've forgotten your password, you can click on the Forgot Password link just below the login fields to reset it in a few seconds. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed straight to your H panel. This is Hostinger's main control panel, where all your websites, domains, and hosting services are managed. On the left-hand side, you'll see the main navigation menu. From here, click on Home to open your main dashboard. This section gives you an overview of your hosting accounts, domain renewals, and other recent activity. To find your invoices, you'll now want to head to the Billing section. The Billing tab is where Hostinger keeps all the financial details tied to your account. This is your go-to area for managing payment methods, viewing past transactions, and downloading official invoices. Once you click on Billing, look for an option labeled Payment History and select it. Inside Payment History, you'll see a list of all your recent payments, renewals, and purchases. Each entry is organized by date, amount, and payment status, making it easy to track your spending. Hostinger clearly marks whether a transaction is completed, pending, or failed, so you can quickly find what you need. Locate the specific transaction you want an invoice for. When you find it, click on that entry to expand the details. You'll now see a breakdown of the transaction, including the item purchased, the payment method used, and the total amount. At the bottom or right side of the details, you'll find a View Invoice or Download Invoice button. Clicking this will open your invoice in a new tab, formatted neatly with all the essential information, your account details, invoice number, payment date, and total amount. From there, you can choose to download it as a PDF or print it directly for your records. Keeping these invoices organized is a good habit, especially if you're managing multiple sites or using Hostinger for business. They serve as proof of payment for accounting or tax purposes, and having them on hand can save time when reviewing your hosting costs. If you ever run into any trouble finding an invoice, or if something looks off in your payment history, don't worry. Hostinger's customer support team is available 24/7 through live chat. Just click the chat icon on your dashboard, explain what you need, and they'll quickly assist you in retrieving or correcting your billing information. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to easily access, view, and download your invoices on Hostinger. With just a few clicks, you can keep your financial records up to date and stay organized with your hosting payments. If this tutorial helped you, consider checking out more of our Hostinger guides to learn how to manage your account efficiently and make the most out of your hosting plan. Thanks for watching and happy hosting.